What's the meaning of ATP? ATP. ATP.
ATP. ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, which is a molecule that carries energy in cells. It is often referred to as the molecular unit of currency, due to its central role in cell metabolism. ATP is produced through cellular respiration and is used by cells for various functions, including muscle contraction, nerve impulses, and protein synthesis. It is also involved in numerous other biochemical reactions and is essential for life. In summary, ATP is a crucial molecule that plays a fundamental role in providing energy to cells and enabling their various functions.